Are you tired of getting stuck when you lose internet and can't see your calendar? Learn how to enable offline access in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to turn on offline mode in Google Calendar. It's just 3 clicks. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Then, click on the Settings option from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down the left sidebar until you see the Offline section. Finally, click the Turn on Offline Calendar button to enable it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.